Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. आज की इस वीडियो में I'm going to talk about a makeup product that I've been loving. I've been using it for more than 2-3 months and I just completely fell in love with it. I have used their contour, their blush and highlighters. I am thoroughly in love with this product. चाहे वो शादी हो, चाहे वो पार्टी हो, चाहे वो शॉपिंग के लिए हो, चाहे वो डेट नाइट्स के लिए हो, चाहे वो वीडियो के लिए क्यों ना हो, I am wearing this every single time I'm doing my makeup. That's how much I'm loving the products. So yeah, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. The product that I'm completely in love with is the Tipsy Beauty's Silk Cushion Collection. This is how they look like. Particularly, मैं contour को every single time use करी हूँ. जब भी मैं makeup करने बैठी हूँ, I just grab for this and it just looks so nice. Give me such a beautiful shape and it just looks so nice. So I have just done my base makeup. Chalo, let's go ahead and try out all of this because my makeup is incomplete without using all of this right here. This is not at all a sponsored video. I've got this and they look so nice. If I had to recommend one of the product out of this three, I will definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check out the contour. It just looks so nice and gives us such a beautiful shape. Let's go ahead and contour our face. So I have the Tipsy Beauty Silk Cushion Contour in the shade Maple Syrup. बहुत ही अच्छा shape and definition आपके चेहरे को देता है, which we all want. So this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. And then यहाँ से आप खोलते हो and then you have to twist it open. So you have to twist it like this to lock it in and then आपको खोलने के लिए इस तरह से twist करना होगा to open the product and get the product. ठीक है, सी बहुत ज़्यादा product already आ चुका है, so I'll just be very careful. So ठीक है, जहाँ जहाँ आपको contour करना है तो अब मैं अपने ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर के हेल्प से I'll just go ahead and blend this in. And देखो तुरंत ये कितने अच्छे तरीके से blend हो जा रहा है. So this is what I absolutely love about the product, that it just blends so seamlessly without removing your makeup. आपका makeup ना हिलता है. It just stays put right there and it just blends seamlessly with your base makeup. ठीक है? See? Look at that. It gives such a nice shape and that's what I really want. So this is what my skin looks like. Like I said, I did go ahead and use a lot of product because want पे बहुत ज़्यादा product आ चुका था. But आप देख पा रहे हो कितना beautiful एक आपके चेहरे को bronzy contour effect देता है. Now let's go ahead and use the blush. I'm using the Silk Cushion blush, shimmery blush in the shade Strawberry Champagne. It does have a a bit of shimmer onto it, but बहुत ही fine shimmer है. It does not show up like a grainy textured shimmer. It's a very light shade. Although I do not love such lighter shades on me, I do go a bit more on the blush, but I'll just share it with you guys. So आप देख पाए हो, it's a very light shade, so very light as you can see. आप देख पाए हो, बहुत ही light है. So this is how it looks like right now. Okay, you cannot see the blush because it's very light. I don't go for such light blushes. I go for a very deeper tone that just suits me. This also suits me, but I feel like it's very light for my skin tone. So आपको barely कुछ दिखाई दे रहा होगा. You can see a lot of my contour because I did take a lot of it. So what I do is I'll just go ahead and use a powder blush. ठीक है, हल्के हाथों से मैं इसे ऐसे लगाऊंगी. Now I'll just go ahead and use the highlighter. Like I said, अगर आप blush का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, highlighter का जरूरत नहीं है. But I want to go ahead and share it with you guys how it looks. So this is the blush and see, look at that. अगर आपको एक blinding highlighter look चाहिए, you can go ahead and build this up. But I like it to be a bit on the subtle side. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप अगर एक बार लेके blend करते जाओगे तो एक बहुत ही beautiful सा glow effect देगा जो कि बहुत ही प्यारा लगता है. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आप यहाँ लगा सकते हो. Other than the fact that I did go, overboard with the contour, you can see how beautiful it looks. How this other pigmented. This is how it looks like. You can see how beautifully it just melts onto the skin. So if you are looking for, good contour highlighters at a very affordable price and that just seamlessly blends, go for this. Ultimately it all comes down to how it looks on the skin, how it feels. It shouldn't be patchy, it should blend seamlessly, and this right here does all of that. It blends seamlessly looks flawless and gives you such a nice, effect and such a beautiful filter like skin that just looks so gorgeous. No, it is a sponsor. I wish they did sponsor me, but yeah, this is my honest opinion because I just love this. I've been using it constantly and I think you should go ahead and try this out. अगर एक चीज आपको यूज करना है इन तीनों चीजों में से, go ahead and try the contour one. I'm pretty sure you're going to fall in love with it. So yeah, that is it for this video and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, then do like this video and जरूर से subscribe करना channel को. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.